In a world where artistry, architecture, and legacy intertwine, welcome to the Hamilton, a European-inspired estate that stands as one of the most extraordinary homes ever built in the Midwest. Tucked behind iron gates in Fort Wayne, this 40-acre Indiana's crown jewel, designed by visionaries Charlene Brock and Dale Kelly, proves that you don't need a passport to experience the architectural soul of the Old World. You just need a very long driveway and an appreciation for 29,000 square feet of handcrafted perfection. To call the Hamilton a house is a bit like calling the Louvre a drafty art gallery. It is a 5-year labor of love defined by materials that plan on outlasting us all. The exterior is crowned with a Vermont slate roof and exposed copper valleys, a nod to timeless European durability. It's the kind of roof that laughs at a Midwestern thunderstorm. Step inside the grand hall and the scale shifts from impressive to cinematic. Sunlight filters through custom ironwork, dancing off Paramount Theater chandeliers that add a touch of Art Deco gravity to the European aesthetic. The flooring is a masterclass in texture. Italian pillowed marble gives way to white oak planks modeled after the halls of Versailles. It's a home designed for those who want to host a gala on Saturday and hide away in a cozy limestone-clad corner on Sunday. The lifestyle here is one of high-functioning indulgence. The chef's kitchen features double islands framed by massive stone arches, ideal for the serious Epicurean or the person who simply wants a dedicated island just for their espresso machine. For those seeking a literal great escape, the primary suite offers an ensuite bath crafted from imported marble that rivals any 5-star spa in the Swiss Alps, complete with views of the rolling Indiana meadows. Beyond the main residence, the lifestyle turns equestrian. The expansive stables, featuring rich wooden stalls and a collector-grade tack room, aren't just a hobby, they are an extension of the estate's legacy of freedom. Whether you're a rider or just someone who enjoys the rhythm of rural beauty from a distance, the property offers a rare sense of peace. Located within a short private jet hop from Chicago, Detroit, and Indianapolis, the Hamilton is a trophy estate that manages to feel like a home. It's a legacy property for someone who wants the grandeur of a European chateau without the pesky transatlantic flight.